Start.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I'm great. I'm Jahan from. Today I'm going to talk about our national bird. The magpie robin is the national bird of Bangladesh, where it is common and known as the doel. Its color is a mixing. Its color is a mixed of black and white. The doel is small in size and fickle in movement, occurring across most of the Indian substation and Southeast Asia. They are common birds in urban gardens as well as forest. Their popularity well known for their song and were once popular as cage bird. The Orient magpie robin is current the national bird of Bangladesh. This all about our national bird. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.